Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Binance Referral program. As you can see, we're on the official Binance page. This works the same. If you're on a mobile phone, you just need to head over where your profile is. After that, you need to click on this option called Referral. Just tap on this one. As you can see, this is my referral ID and the referral link. If you click on invite friends, you can directly just copy it from here, or you could send it to Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp directly. As you can see, step 1 is to share it, step 2 is to invite them to sign up, and then step 3 is you'll get 100 USD cash back voucher for each person, but you need to be verified. For that, you need to verify your KC and everything, and once you do, you can just come over here, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.